Hi everyone! Today I wanted to share with you these non-slip bathroom stickers by Secopad. CDC estimates that up to 250,000 shower-related injuries occur in American bathtub and shower rooms, so it's probably a good idea to place these non-slip bathtub stickers in yours as well to ensure safety. It's easy and light to set up and to maintain. Just stick the individual stickers on the inner surface of your bathtub or shower floor. Each sticker is made where it easily sticks to the surface using special glue. The sticker has some small bumps which you can play a non-slip effect, which helps increase friction but also gets water flowing freely. What's great about these stickers is that they're designed to strongly grip onto smooth surfaces. It's made up of soft PVA material, which is long-lasting, and you can totally take it off easily too. Because of the special glue, these stickers can be removed without leaving any residue behind. They're also non-toxic, fade-free, safe, and convenient to use. The package has 10 pieces of stickers and includes a high-quality silicone scraper. And if you're not sure how many you need, one pack should occupy at least 2/3 of the tub surface. Your bathtub should be a haven of security and fun for your child, not a slippery accident waiting to happen. These can be mentioned in the explanation. I hope you try these out. Thanks for watching.